Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and today we would be looking on some off-campus opportunities which is available for students as well as experienced people. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the very first opportunity you can see is from PhonePe. It is for a software engineer role for 1 to 3 years experienced people. Now let's look at this job application. So as you can see, it is a software engineer role for 1 to 3 years, financial services. And this is all about PhonePe, that if you want to know more about the company and how does it work, you can also read this, as well as you can go to their channel for more, as well as you can go to their website to know more about this company. Let's see the responsibilities and requirements. So as you can see in the requirement section, it is clearly mentioned that it is available for 1 to 3 years of experience in art of writing code and solving problems on a large scale. Guys, sometimes what happen in ki we apply for many jobs and internships and we didn't hear back. So the major reason behind not hearing back from the recruiter is sometimes freshers also apply to the job opportunities which is available for experienced people, which should be avoided, because if it is clearly mentioned that they are choosing someone who is 1 to 3 years of experience, they are not gonna shortlist your resume. Like, there are less chances of your resume being shortlisted if you are a fresher. So these are all the requirements which the company wants. And the benefits are also mentioned, like insurance benefits, wellness program, parental support, mobility benefits, and each and everything which is mentioned here. So you can start with the first name, then last name, then you can fill your email, mobile number, resume, CV. Cover letter, I guess, is optional. Also, many people attach, many people don't attach. Your school, like if you're a college graduate, you can mention your college, the last college which you were in, and then degree, discipline, start year, end year, then company name, since they are asking for someone who is experienced. So if you don't have any company, you can go ahead and mention the college name only if who is not having 1 year of experience. So here you need to mention your company name, the title, the start date, the end date, then the LinkedIn profile, current career stage, current compensation, gender, current industry, years of experience, sources of your application, and did you complete your BTech. Now all these are like voluntary self-identification, and you need to fill this and you just need to submit this application. So let's look at the next opportunity. So here you can see the next opportunity is from JP Morgan Chase. It's for software engineer role, which is an international opportunity since it is a software engineer role for a Singapore location, and it is eligible for batches 2023 and 2024. So let's look at this opportunity. So you can see that it is for 2023 grad software engineer program, summer analyst, Singapore. So you can see the job description, what they are expecting, what they want in you, and the application deadline is October 31. So guys, go ahead and apply as soon as possible. So for applying, you just need to click on the apply now link. You can enter your email address, and then they will ask for some questions regarding your college, regarding your prior experience, internships, and different things. You just need to fill out all these fields and you can go ahead and apply. So let's look at the next opportunity. So the very next opportunity is from Siemens. It is for a role of software engineer and the applicable batch is 2022. So let's look at the Siemens opportunity. So as you can see that this is the Siemens opportunity. It is for engineer IT application development and testing. The location is Gurgaon. The job ID is present here. You can see the position is the full-time. You can also see the skills which are required: basic knowledge in Java, Java EE, .NET technologies, knowledge in NoSQL, DB concepts, and much more things. And they have mentioned that what are the qualities they want in you. So you can just go and apply via this link, and on clicking you will be asked to submit some form details, like you need to log in first. You are not a user, then you need to register yourself, and then you need to log in, and then you need to just fill out the details and apply to the form. So let's look at the next opportunity. So the next opportunity is from Tesla, which is for the role of software engineer, and the eligible batches are 2023, 2024, and 2025. So let's look at this particular opportunity. As you can see that there is a job application for software engineer internship, motor modeling and technology development at Tesla. So you just need to fill out all these fields like personal information, first name, middle name, phone number, email, last name, preferred name, contact, country, region, and resume. And you just need to click this next button, and then they will be ask more questions, and you just need to fill that, and you would be able to submit the application. So let's look at the next opportunity. So the next opportunity is from Technip Energies for a graduate trainee. The eligible batches are 2021 and 2022. So let's look at this particular opportunity. So the location for this would be Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. As you can see, the location is mentioned here. The posting date is also mentioned here, and also it is mentioned that you need to apply before 31st of December. And this is all about the job, about you, like what they want: 0 to 1 years of experience in any programming language, hands-on experience on RPA tools, iPad developer certification is highly preferred, and then what are the key skills they required. And this is all about what all they require from you, and all about themselves as well as a company. And then you can just go ahead and apply to this job. So you can apply on clicking this button, and on clicking this button you just need to register your account and then follow few steps, fill few fields, and then you will be able to apply. So let's look at the very next opportunity. The next opportunity is from Adobe, and it is for SD intern, and the eligible batches are 2023 and 2024. So let's look at this opportunity. So you can see it is for 2023 intern, software engineering, and the location is also given here, Hamburg, Germany. Like, it is an international opportunity, and you can just click here, apply now, and you can go ahead and apply. As you can see, the expected start date, application deadline is 20th of November, the duration, the location, and what will you will do, what you need to success, what would be great on top, what to expect from the recruitment process. Each and everything is given, like online assessment, technical interview, soft skills interview, like everything is given here. So you can just go and apply here. Now let's look at the next opportunity. The next opportunity is from Cisco, which is for a role of software engineer 2022 batch. So let's look at the Cisco opportunity. So as you can see on the Cisco careers portal, you can see software engineer internal applications, new grad, India, UHR. So you can see the job descriptions, what you will do, what are the what the company does, and then here you can see what they want from you. So currently you should be pursuing a bachelor's or master's in computer science. Your CGPA should be 8 out of 10. So guys, if you are someone who is not having a CGPA of 8, I would suggest don't go ahead and apply, because there are chances that you might not be shortlisted, because they are having a CGPA eligibility criteria. And the requirement is only for 2022 pass outs, and they should be excellent written and verbal skills, must be fluent in English, comfortable with fast-paced and dynamic environments. So you can go ahead and apply here from this button as well, or from this button as well. So let's look at the next opportunity. So the next opportunity is from Grow India, graduate trainee, and this is the link. It is applicable for 2022 batch only. The job description provides you information about the company vision, about Grow, the values they show, what are the responsibilities for you when you join their company, what is the job requirement, 50% cutoff in 10th and 12th, undergraduate courses with a finance background, BBA, BCom, BBM, no backlogs and gap years. So this is a graduate trainee job role, and you can apply here. So let's look at the next opportunity. The next opportunity is from Amazon, and it is for a role of SD intern for 2023 batch. So let's look at this opportunity. And as you can see, it is a 2023 batch software development engineer graduate. The job for grads, it is for software development, and the location is London. So this is also a international opportunity. And if you want to apply for this opportunity, what I'll suggest is the job ID is provided here. Go and get referral from someone, and then try to apply for any job application. It's not applicable to Amazon only, it's applicable to each and every job description present. So if you get the job ID, try to ask people who are present in that company to give you a referral, so that the selection chances of your resume shortlisting, not the selection chances of you getting interviewed. So selection chances of your resume getting shortlisted increases. So you can ask people who are in the company for a referral for this particular job role, and you can go ahead and apply. So these are all the job opportunities which I gathered and I got information from many people. Furthermore, I'll be sharing more job opportunities with you guys, since recession is going on and layoffs are also going on. This is something which is the need of hour. We will meet in next video with some more off-campus job opportunities applicable for freshers as well as someone who is experienced, and college grads as well for intern. So this was all about this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.